To start with unit number 1, page number 6 to 7, muscular system. So today I am going to tell you about muscular system. The skeletal system cannot work alone. It needs the support from the muscular system to perform its activity. So basically the skeletal system consists of bones and joints. It cannot work alone. It needs the support of the muscular system. What is muscular system made of? So basically the muscular system is made up of bones and tendons. Here in this picture you can see that this is your bone, these are your muscles, and this is the tendon. So I will tell you what are muscles and what are tendons. Muscle is a connective tissue, is a tissue consisting of sheets or bundles of cells that contract to produce movement. So basically muscles contain the tissues that have cells that help in the movement. Tendons are thick strands or sheets of tissues that attach a muscle to a bone. So in picture you can see this is the bone and this is a muscle that is attached to the bone, but this is the tendons are strands of tissues that help the muscle to attach with the bone. So muscular system consists of muscles and tendons. Types of muscles. Your body has three different types of muscles: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. I will tell you about each type of muscle in detail one by one. First muscle that we are going to start with is smooth muscle. A smooth muscle makes up the internal organs of the body. For example, stomach, intestines, and bladder are made from smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are also called involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles perform their jobs without you even thinking about them. So here in this picture, you can see that smooth muscles basically form the internal parts of your body, internal organs of your body, like you have your stomach, your intestines, your bladder. This is your bladder. So all these things are made from smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are actually the involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are those that perform their function, their job without your instruction. Like if these organs, they perform without your you even thinking that they are performing. If you have a control on these muscles, just imagine that if you have eaten something and you forget to instruct your stomach that you have to digest the food, what will happen? The food will remain there. So automatically these muscles are involuntary. They perform their functions automatically. You don't have to give instructions to these organs to perform. They perform on their own. Cardiac muscles. Now I will tell you about cardiac muscle. The word cardiac is related to the heart. So cardiac muscles make the heart. Cardiac muscles are involuntary. Like smooth muscles, cardiac muscles are also involuntary. They work on their own. Your heart needs no instructions from you. Your heart works on the own. The cardiac muscles are attached to each other instead of being attached by a bone. Here in this picture, these are your cardiac muscles, and the cardiac muscles are attached to one another without any bone. They are attached directly. Cardiac muscles contract to pump blood to heart and then relax to to get the blood back from all parts of the body. So basically, cardiac muscles are the muscles of the heart, and they contract, they squeeze to pump blood out of the heart to all parts of the body, and then they relax to get the blood from different parts of the body to the heart. So this is all about the cardiac muscles. I will tell you about skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles are joined to the bones by the tendons. Tendons, I have already told you that the skeletal muscles, they consist of bones that are attached by tendons. So these are the tendons. These are tendons. Tendons help to join muscle with the bone. These are the some of the pictures of. This is a picture of skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are called voluntary muscles. Smooth muscle and cardiac muscles, they are involuntary. You don't control them. You can't control them. But skeletal muscles, as they are related to your bones, so you can control them. You can control what they do. They work with your bones to give body strength and stability. So basically they are concerned with the bones, and bones make your help you to get strength and stability, and you can control them. If you want to move, then it's under your control. It's your decision that you want to move, you want to jump, you want to run. So these activities are controlled by skeletal muscles, and they are voluntary muscles. So this is all about all the three types of muscles. Thank you.